Hi, I am Duti Gajab, Application and Services Product Manager, and today we are going to talk about unified applications experience and monitoring. Nowadays, the devices and applications usage are immensely exploding. Remember those days when we were tied to a location and using our application to attend meetings? But look at us now. We are attending meetings using the applications from any device at any location. It's like application on our hands, anytime, anywhere. It's this demand with the increasing out devices and usage of applications that has required us, the network providers, to give the best experience by giving the right quality of service for these applications to give a seamless application experience to the end user and to the admin, a unified monitoring and visibility of these applications, and also have a troubleshooting mechanism for them to troubleshoot in case of poor application experience. But why is quality of service so important these days? Let's take a use case where we have a headquarters, we have a San Jose local site office, we have home-based setup, as well as we have another site for an enterprise customer which has robots plus employees using multiple applications and multiple users are there. Now let's pick a couple of sites from this. For headquarters, where our CTO has a live webinar or telecast scheduled, or the manufacturing sites where we have the robots working in conjunction with employees, it is not affordable to have any delay, jitter, or packet loss. Think of it, if the CTO is having a live webinar and the call gets impacted, packets are lost, it's going to disrupt the communication. Or the robots working together, if there is slightest delay, then in that case, the robots are going to crash into each other, making the whole system go for a toss. For these bandwidth-hungry applications for any type of devices, HP Networking offers the best quality of service, which is not just tied to the applications, but it is per app basis. When I say per app basis, meaning the teams can have a different prioritization. Dropbox can have different prioritization. It's also available across different hierarchical levels like global. You can do it on a per site basis, site collection, device group pieces. So each of the hierarchical levels can have different quality of service assigned. It is also flexible to have a role-based quality of service, like CTO can have a different quality of service versus robots versus employees versus guests. That's how granular the HP Networking has offered for the application monitoring and experience. But how do we achieve it? HP Networking has different telemetry sources like UXI, Firewall, which is TCP-based telemetry, which measures the delay, jitter, packet loss using TCP packets. UCC, which is Unified Communication and Collaboration with Dynamic Application Prioritization. These are UDP, real-time based, providing telemetry sources, giving delay, jitter, packet loss not just upstream but downstream direction as well. This is not it. We also have third-party integration like with Teams, with Zooms, to have an end-to-end coverage to say where the application has gone bad. Think of it like Google Maps, where you put the start and the end point, and Google Maps shows you the red bottleneck where the traffic is. In a very unified way, similar fashion, HPE Networking has these solutions which work simultaneously together, providing the application experience and monitoring with troubleshooting for an admin and a single pane of glass. For this video, we will focus on UCC and dynamic application prioritization. How does this work? Where is the magic? So when a client associated with an AP starts or initiates a call from its device, it's going to send the connection to the AP that I'm making a call. The AP forwards this packet to UCC service running in the cloud. UCC manages voice and video-based applications where it identifies the traffic, It classifies what type of traffic it is, whether it's voice, whether it's video. It puts the required prioritization, the required quality of service, and gives a detailed call session record for an admin to use it for the visibility perspective as well as for troubleshooting when a call session specifically goes bad. This UCC provides the experience, the telemetry stats in downstream direction, meaning from AP to the client. But what about the upstream? There comes the dynamic application prioritization. The dynamic application prioritization provides the telemetry stats along with the RF-based stats like the TXRS statistics, the MOS score from client to AP as well, not just downstream but upstream as well. It also schedules the flow in upstream as well as downstream direction, where it before the client makes a call, it identifies the application and sends the corresponding QoS marking, which is quality of services marking. What else do you want? So we have all covered you from client to AP, which is from wireless LAN segment to the LAN segment to the WAN segment, using all these telemetry sources working together along with the third-party integration, which provides you end-to-end coverage from client to the external server. And it simplifies the admin's troubleshooting aspect. HPE networking solution provides the coverage end-to-end, be it from LAN perspective, from WAN perspective, from WLAN perspective. We have you covered. Future-proof with us by using HPE Networking's unified application experience and monitoring solutions. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit our website.